Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. In the previous video, I had explained to you regarding the types of diagrams, and also I have roughly explained to you how to draw those diagrams. Okay. Now, a quick recap. There are four types of diagrams. Number one, one-dimensional diagrams. Number two, two-dimensional diagrams. Number three, three-dimensional diagrams. Number four, pictograms and cartograms. So these are the four diagrams that we can have. I'm speaking only about diagrams, not graphical presentation, only diagrams. So in your syllabus, students, for this year, we will be studying only about one-dimensional and two-dimensional diagrams. One-dimensional and two-dimensional diagrams. I have told you what are one-dimensional and also what are two-dimensional. If you take only one dimension, right, is either length or breadth or length or width, something like that, any one of the dimension, right, and then we call that to be as one dimensional diagram. So all bar diagrams comes under one dimensional diagram, students. All bar diagrams comes under one dimensional diagrams. Okay, and in two dimensional diagrams, circles, rectangles, squares. So these are the diagrams that we come across in two-dimensional diagrams. Okay, so in one-dimensional diagrams, there are four diagrams that we need to study. And number one, simple bar diagram, component bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, and percentage bar diagram. Okay, I've explained to you regarding that, how to do those diagrams roughly, but today let's take one data and see what they have asked. Based on the question, we will draw a diagram, students. Okay, right. The data or the question is on the screen. You know it very clearly. I think it's been seen. So let's read it once again, and then accordingly we will draw the diagram. Represent the following data regarding the production of paddy in 1,000 tons by simple bar diagram. Simple bar diagram. Very simple question. Simple bar diagram. According to the rules of drawing the diagram, they said very clearly that there should be a proper title. Okay, a title for the diagram must be written, students, in the beginning. So I will do that here. What is it? It is all about simple bar diagram. I'll write it in capital letters, which will be visible clearly to everyone and without any confusions. It will be seen. Simple bar diagram. We have to write it. Neat presentation. Diagrams and graphs must be very neat. Simple bar diagram regarding, we can copy the title from the question itself, students. Regarding the production, next line, production of what? Production of paddy, okay, and that too same in 1,000 tons. Simple. Okay, then we have this students, when we are drawing a simple bar diagram, only the length of the bar matters. The length of the bar we represent it in the y-axis. So x-axis we will not be there. X-axis will be taken as a baseline where we can erect the vertical bars on the x-axis. So that is the reason why we can take the scale for y-axis. So the scale should be written like this. The scale, what are you taking the scale for y-axis? So the scale for y-axis, I will take that as 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10. 10 what? 10,000 tons. We'll put that in the bracket itself. 10,000 tons. Okay, this is how we have to do it. Okay, so let's take a scale, and then let's draw the diagram, students, bar diagram. Is that okay? Right. So I will take the scale here. I will draw the first is the baseline for me. I'll keep here as the baseline. Okay, students, I will take this pen, blue pen, and mark this as the baseline for me. Okay, this is the baseline. So baseline will not have any of the scale, students, any of the what you can say scale, because this is all about erecting the bars. Now here we require the scale. Is it right? Okay, right. I'll draw here, and this is all about y-axis. This is all about y-axis. Okay, I'll write it here. This is y-axis. So what I do now, students, I'll take this each line as 1 centimeter itself. Okay. In other words, they said 1 centimeter is equal to 10. I'll take this as 10, this as 20, this as 30, this as 40, this as 50, this as 60, this as 70, this as 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay, what is this all about? This is all what is all about production. Is it right? Production. Production in what? In thousands tons. Production of what? Production of paddy. We can represent it in this way. Okay. So now let's take the first year. The first year is 2000. Is it? It's not visible. It's 2005. I'll write it here. 2005. 2005. Okay. Right. For 2005, the length of the bar should be 90. Is it right? Should be 90. So I'll start drawing the bar. Okay, students, I'll start drawing the bar. So the bar, I will take a different color. Fine. I'll take a different color and represent it to you because it will be easy for you to understand. 90. It is told 90. So it is the length here. It is. Fine. Okay. I'll take of this width. Is that clear? 90. Done? Fine. The next 2000. Next is 2006. 2006. The next is 2007. The next is 2007. And the next is 2008. Okay, right. So what is 2006 measurement? They said it is 85. It is 85. So I will take 85. This is 80 students. This is 85. Somewhere here. Okay. Now, the width of the bar should be the same as it was for the before. Okay, that is for 2005, what is the width that you have taken? The same width it should be. Right, for the next, it is 100. For 2007, it is 100. For 2007, it is 100. The scale goes up to here. It is 2100. And here also it is 100. So the other line, if you just draw, it is 100. Okay, next is 105. For 2008, it is 105. 105, it goes up to here. This is the last line, 2005. Okay, right. So I'll just close this vertical bars. You can clearly see here. I'll draw one line. Then I'll draw one more line here, which closes the bar. Then here. Then here. Okay, this is how you draw the bars, students. I hope it is seen to you. Okay, for the year 2000, you can shade these bars to students. You can shade with different colors. You can do it, students. Okay, or if it is, you can leave it blank also. Okay, so what you do is after that, at the top of each bar, you can write the measurement. So this is nothing but 90. We have taken this as 90. The length of this bar is 85 up to 85,000 tons. The length of this bar is somewhere it is 100, and the length of this bar is 105. Okay, so what is there in the x-axis? It's all about the years. So this is how we represent a simple bar diagram, students. I hope you have understood. So if you want, you can just, as I said, no, you can, if you want, you can just keep on shading. Okay, you can shade to look more attractive, more colorful, or having more designs, good designs, which attracts the readers, right? So you can draw some kind of shades or anything like this and make it more clear. I hope you have understood this, students. Okay, right. This is what we have it for simple bar diagram. Okay, okay, fine. Thank you very much.